Why track family health digitally?
Keeping a digital family health journal helps spot patterns and trends over time. By noting symptoms, moods, and daily habits, families can better understand what influences their well-being. This information is valuable for sharing with doctors, supporting healthy routines, and responding quickly to any changes. Digital apps make this process faster, easier, and more organized than paper notes.
Choosing a simple wellness app.
Look for apps that are easy to use and designed for family tracking. Popular options like Careclinic, Simple, or My Symptoms allow you to create profiles for each family member. Essential features include symptom logging, daily mood tracking, and reminders. Prioritize apps that protect your privacy and let you export or share your data securely with healthcare providers.
How to journal symptoms, moods, and habits.
Begin by recording everyday symptoms, energy levels, moods, and important habits, such as sleep, hydration, diet, and activity. Updates can be made each evening or whenever something changes. Consistency is key. Short, regular entries are easiest to maintain. Some apps offer quick tap icons and prompts to streamline your journaling routine, making it manageable for busy families.
Spotting health trends over time.
After a few weeks, review the data you've collected. Many wellness apps present your records in charts or graphs, helping you visualize trends. Watch for recurring symptoms or notable links between habits and well-being. If you notice patterns, like more headaches after late nights or mood dips on certain days, this insight can help you make positive lifestyle changes or seek timely medical advice.
Sharing insights with healthcare providers.
A digital health journal helps you communicate clearly with doctors and specialists. You can show detailed timelines of symptoms and habits, reducing guesswork during appointments. Bring printouts or share your app's reports to support family members' health plans. This proactive approach helps ensure you get the most accurate advice and tailored treatment from your healthcare team.